All right, this time we're going to have a look at not just converting to minutes, but also converting to seconds. All of the previous examples actually stopped at minutes. There was nothing left to convert, so you didn't need to worry. But these ones are a bit more complicated. So we're going to have a look at converting 42.51 degrees into minutes, or degrees, minutes, and seconds. So first of all, we can see we've got 42 degrees. Okay, so keep that. Then we've got 0.51 of a degree. Which we learnt in the previous video that we can write 0.51 of means times and 60. And if we use our calculator to do that, because it's not quite so easy to do in our heads, we'll get 30.6 minutes. Now, what that means, we've got 30 whole minutes and then 0.6 of a minute. Okay, so let's keep the 30 minutes and now let's move across 0.6 of a minute. Okay, now a minute is constructed of 60 seconds, just like in time. So 0.6 times 60. 0.6 times 60 will be 36 seconds. Now, how do we write seconds? We do it with two inverted commas. So altogether, 42.51 degrees could be rewritten as 42 degrees, 30 minutes, and 36 seconds. Occasionally people write it like this: 42 D for degrees, 30 M for minutes, 36 S for seconds. Now I'd like to point out that this is a more accurate way of representing an angle than using a decimal place. I'd consider this an extension, okay? So consolidating isn't required to do this, but if you really want to show that you have a really good understanding of angles, then you could take this step and produce more accurate results. We'll have a go at the next one. So we'll have a go at 63.52 degrees. 63.52 degrees is 63 degrees and then 0.52 of a degree, which is 0.52 of means times 60. 0.52 times 60 is going to be 31.2 minutes. Okay, so I've got 31 minutes. Then I've got 0.2 of a minute. All right, so I've got 0.2 of a minute. 0.2 of means times 60 seconds in a minute. So times it by 60. 0.2 times 60 equals 12. 12 seconds. So 63.52 degrees could be written as 63 degrees, 31 minutes, and 12 seconds, or 63D, 31M, 12S. We'll do one last example. 17.79 minutes, 17 degrees, 0.79 times 60. That's going to give us how many minutes? Which is 47.4 minutes. So I keep my 47 out. Then I want 0.4 of a minute, which is equal to 24 seconds. Oops. So my answer is, or my conversion is 17 degrees, 47 minutes, and 24 seconds. What you can do now is you're going to have a go at the second column of that table where it asks you to convert a degree into degrees, minutes, seconds. And as I say, it is an extension, okay? It just shows a higher level of understanding and an ability to move into two different sets of representing angles. Thanks.